Mom, you didn't even give me pizza?
Kanina tinanong kita kung gusto mo, sabi mo ayaw mo. Idiot!
Speak slowly, I can't understand.
Tigilan mo ako, ha? Huwag mo akong busitin.
I only have a salad.
Salad? Salad mo yung sarili mo.
I'm going out to eat
You
with my
asked me to
friends.
cook this.
I didn't ask
I've
you
never
anything.
killed anyone before, huh? Don't provoke me.
You can't make me.
What?
You can't make me.
I can! Laki mong yan, 24 oras kitang inire. Idiot! Walang epidural. In English, I carried you for 9 years.
That's not
Okay?
That's not possible.
Sino si Kwek-Kwek Binaktol? Maging ngipin ko lang, nasungal-ngal mo, manda ka sa akin. Ina mo, buhay mo kapalit niyan. Oliver, nakita mo itong hawak ko, ha? Baka dumulas.
Mom, look, I put 2 venti Starbucks drink inside my jug instead of water.
Ano ba naman, Oliver? Sa dami ng dapat mo ipagmalaki, yan ang pinagmamalaki mo sa akin? Hindi ka ba naman isang damukan na idiot? Si Mariosep, malis ka dyan!
Mom just publicly pooped. How does it feel to poop? Mama
Hindi ako ina mo. Yung pilit mo, bakit hindi ikaw? Iutos ako sa iyo, sinunod mo na ba? Ha? Idiot ka, wala kang ginawa kundi gambalain ako rito. Ha?
I don't understand anything you're saying.
Okay. Igugan mo. Lumayas ka dito sa tabi ko.
Could have been nicer.
Why?
You
Give me
could
2
have
seconds.
1,
Ha?
2.
Count to
1, 2.
two. Ha?
1, 2. You're so nice to me. I love you. I love you.